Alrighty, so this is the General Maths Unit 4 overview. So I just thought we'd have a look through where we're going to be heading in the next few weeks and months until we get to the end of Term 3. So the overview is we've got 3 different topics to cover: loans, investments, and annuities, graphs and networks, and the last topic is networks and decision matrix mathematics. Networks and decision mathematics. Alrighty, so if you're wanting to follow along on your textbook, we're looking at chapters 5 and 6 for the first bit, 7, and our last chapter is chapter 8. Alrighty, and so all of this will be following along with the textbook, but we'll also be doing other stuff that's a bit different as well. So for our loans, investments, and annuities, we're going to be doing a lot of compound interest, and we're going to keep on using that stuff we've been doing in terms of different sequences. And so we're going to be looking at applications of using geometric sequences and compound interest in compound interest situations as well. I'm also going to look at what it looks like to have reducing loans and different ways that we can compare between these different things. Graphs and networks, we're going to be looking at not our traditional sort of graphs that we think of when we say graphs, like a line graph or a dot plot or something. We're actually going to be looking at graphs in a different sense, and we use these graphs to represent basically different connections between different ideas. I'm going to start off abstract, and we're going to show how this sort of connecting of lines and dots is really applicable to many different situations. And then that really leads us into networks and decision mathematics, because once we have learned how to draw graphs, how to understand graphs and networks, then we're actually going to use these networks in making decisions about where we go from and how can we make really intelligent decisions. So we take a problem, we abstract it, turn it into a network, and by playing with that network we can actually make really important decisions about what it means. Alrighty, so these are the 3 topics that we're going to be covering. For the next few weeks we're going to be looking at the first topic, chapter 5 in particular, and we'll continue working forwards from there. Alrighty, hope everyone is well, stay safe, and talk to you soon.